Show me, when are we getting PSL?
You didn't trust us, did you? You thought it's about England and the Premier League.
Wonderful finish from Phil Foden.
No. Let me tell you, PSL is going to be live on Showmax. Whether userenkini, usekhaya, usesikoleni, usebhedlela, kuphi na kuphi lapho nikhona, it's going to be happening for everyone, everywhere. Football.
The best fly.
So sign up and stream the PSL live on Showmax. It's only 69 Rand.
iDiskiTV powered by World Sports Betting. iDiskiTimes.co.za. Please subscribe to iDiskiTV as we approach 300,000 subscribers. Mamelodi Sundowns is baxabulele Kaizer Chiefs kwaphansi kwabantu ebaleni bengena ngenkani nangomsindo kodwa ke akhange unqande umdlalo uba ungaqhubeki. Siqhwabele izandla ke iqela elikhulu iMamelodi Sundowns elona qela ke liphumelelayo kweli xesha siphila kulo. In the last 7 years they've won 7 league titles in a row. The best team in South Africa by far. Mamelodi Sundowns teaching Kaizer Chiefs a lesson they will never forget. Bobo, ubona kanjani umdlalo ndoda?
Kuleko unjani?
Ngathi ukwatile ndoda. You're supposed to be smiling.
No, ukusmile nkuleko nokukwata mhlawumbe ungasho uthito. But no, yonke into ngibone right nkuleko.
Sure.
Angikwatanga ngijabulile ukuthi Sundowns iwinile but
Mara ujabulele ngaphakathi.
Yeah, into ebengilindele at the end of the day abantu kumele bathole lokho kumele bakuthole. So ihappiness yami ingangenzi ngigcina sengibange indlela. I told Utso last week ngathi Utso ngibona heavy score. Ngayisho lento ngathi ngibona heavy score because ibhola lidlalwa ku social media, ibhola lidlalwa la. And ungathi uyabheka ukuthi ibhola lidlala kakhulu ku social media. The behavior yama supporter kuleko kunezinye izinto angazi ukuthi singathini. Wena ungazibona uma lapha stadium ubona zingama mistake. But ezinye akusima mistake ngifuna ukutshela bheka ngivele ngene kuwo le penalty, that's a penalty kuleko.
Yeah.
Ukuthi bazothini ngiyayisho manje, that's a penalty because if awutouch ibhola eboxini uzotouch opponent ise boxini attacker, that's a penalty. You understand? Number 2, untwana ofana noDuba lapha, it's a foul. Umfoulile lo muntu but why usakhuluma no referee? Uthini ku referee? Ufoko referee uzokunikeza ikhadi then ama supporter nawenzani ayahluthuka. Number 3, okay umvalo uclear ibhola azange balibonise mina ukuthi slow motion isithini ngale bhola ukuthi it's a corner kick or kanjani but ngibona iChiefs idlala neSuperSport, how many corner kicks ewatholile kungasama corner kicks.
Yeah.
You understand izinto esifana nalezo kumele sibe fair sometimes ngama supporter because uma yenzeka kuwe ungathi mhlawumbe uma yenzeka kwabanye abantu ubone ngathi njani. Mina
I keep on saying that actually ukuthi amehlo wakho akangaboni mayinto yenzeka kuwe.
Yes.
And then when it's happening to the benefit of your club, manje you are acting like you don't see it because you make a good point. Against SuperSport United, Kaizer Chiefs got like 3 or 4 corners,
Yes.
throw in
Yes.
when they were chasing the game in that 1-0 where it was not a throw in. But anyhow, did you fear that this game was the fans are going to destroy this game? Because at some point they had to call in the police. A few fans were running into the stadium as well, maybe trying to attack the referee. Maybe this game might be stopped.
Yeah, into bengicabanga ukuthi Sundowns the more they keep on scoring kungahle kwenzeke lokho because siye lapha abantu abaningi sinama reason angafani ukuthi why siya stadium. Abanye siye lapha because siphethe ama ticket esandleni ukuthi sifuna team yami win izinto esifana nalezo. Mina bese nginalento ukuthi Sundowns the more bascore ama goal shows asibone lento yenzeka eLoftus iPirates idlala neSundowns, you understand. But overall Nkuleko ngithanda ukubongisa iMamelodi Sundowns coach Manqoba Mnqithi bathi no ngifavorite yakhe as long as alapha kulesa sihlalo ngizomsupporta angifuni ukukhuluma manga as long alapha kulesa sihlalo lesi
Nanoma bebathi Steve Compel, it's about the coach,
Mina
not the men.
Ithi ngitshela Nkuleko noma ungalanda uBob Stake umqashe kuSundowns, I'm going to support uBob Stake,
the actual coach of Sundowns.
Exactly, because uzaba angumceceshi weMamelodi Sundowns. So ngiyabonga manje ku coach Manqoba and his technical team. I think they prepared the game ngendlela right. Approach yabo uma ungabheka beyikahle because iChiefs ithe uma icala ngibone just one chance la khona ngibone ngathi uRonwen ufika wayiclear ila iChiefs ngibone ivela khona but overall iSundowns iwinele game in the middle of the park. Asikhulume iqiniso. Obas he did very well today. Bheka la bekalanda khona kusho kwalinda that asilande emanzini. Uyambona Obas ukuthi huyu umuntu obekalanda deep. Umkwena uAlende bakhona la duze kwakhe. So umsebenzi bowulula for bona. Mina Nkuleko ngifuna ukusho le Sundowns le mani akukho lula. iChiefs ayinayo le quality ukuthi ngamesha iSundowns.
For sure.
Bheka labadlala lapha, abadlali benational team from uRonza, the back 5. uzothola uObas uzothola umkwena unoRenias phambili kusho kona ukuthi unabadlali abaningi
8 or 9 players.
you understand
Even Nomaseko njengoba ngena kwi-second half, he's a national team player when he's fit.
kukutshelani lokho you understand so thina singamani mhlawumbe siyibone ngenye indlela but guys mina ngifuna ukunika iSundowns icredit angazi ukuthi akhona amanye amagame adlalile kwaba nale heavy score khumbula ukuthi iSundowns iyo yabeke record to beat Kaizer Chiefs nga5 goals angikhumbuli khona i-team eyashaya i-Chiefs 5 goals now iSundowns iyo manje esalida lela isabambele la record you understand but I like the way ama supporter we Chiefs manje ngibone enza ngakhona especially ukuletha umdlalo ofana noNqobo nomdu ila khona kufike wa change asikhuluma iqiniso nkuleko lentwana sithe masifika kwaba khona na that moment I think 60 something minutes to 70 ila ngibone khona ukuthi kuba nalento ama passes abacombine now
They got 2.
Yes.
It's double folded. So by the time they come in, Sundowns already had a team talk. And with team talk, there was someone who sensible ukuthi Machita, you are 3-0 up. Labantu laba bafuna ukusibulala. Just try and circulate the ball. It's possible ukuthi those words were said. Nanoma uHlopi or maybe uThrot plus the coaches, someone must have told the Sundowns players ukuthi just take it easy, you are winning, you're not going to lose. So manje lezi intwana uzincoma which is good, uyazincoma, but they come into the game when Sundowns is literally just trying to control the game because I think 7, 8 or 9 could have been scored by Sundowns.
Yeah, plus or minus 10 goals mangathi ngiyawa counter la Sundowns kumele wa score. So lentwana kuze ngizinikeze credit ukuthi ama-Grootman amanye bewakhona lapho they fail bheka abadlali babanja ama-cramp uyabona ukuthi kunzima nkuleko the way Sundowns i-rotator ibhola ngakhona kunzima for ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs bengacombine how many touches Kaizer Chiefs bekhona ukudlala uyocreate kanjani ama chances ungakhoni ukucombine lawo ma passes because you have to combine the passes then ucreate lawo ma chance sibone ukuthi okay badlali beka uChivaviro namhlanje usebenzile lo baba lapha emuva abomvala nabo nokekani bebangana pressure I like the way umndawo adlale ngakhona I like the way umdlalo ofana nomdiba badlala ngakhona bebakhuphuka bonke abadlali angifuni ukutshela manga ukukhuphuka kwakamdawo yila ngibone khona ukuthi sometimes iChiefs ku right back yayo iba ne problem ngani always uFrostler uyakhuphuka and ukhuphuka so kunoRenas ukhuphuka kanjani uFrostler kunoRenas
because Renas was always utilizing that
we understand so umuntu obengakhuphuki ucross bekahlezi but nangu uRenas uloku usebenzisa lela side and iSundowns ibonile ukuthi umdlalo ofana nobani ofana noFrostler khuphuka siyosebenzisa lela side because in the middle of the park abekho labantu bheka uzwane uyazi is my favorite player but lezi zinto azenza lapha awenza izinto esifana nalezo bonisa ukuthi no we are a professional soccer player awenza ama mistake afana nalawo
it's like it does not have a sense of occasion ukuthi lana we're not in street game asikho kubhuqweni we are in a big game where if we lose this game there's so much pressure as well. Let's talk about your team. There is this sense that lo on and off win kule season ngokuqala it is because yini enisidubule enyaweni. It's not the opposition or other teams getting better. So, for example, in the league, there is this 2-horse race between you and Pirates. We'll see how that goes. But the sentiment is that you are where you are. Sometimes no lose a game, no Stellenbosch, but knock out to MTN 8. It is because of the things that you guys are dealing with internally. It's not because of a lack of quality.
No. Uyabona kuleko ukuthi khona lokhu mhlambe eteamini kungaba kulungiswa some of the players or abadlali abafana nabomkwena abomdawo sometimes bebangabi khona and uma ungabheka abadlali esazi ukuthi if bazofika egamini bazinikele they can play look at today batholi bebakhona ku first 11 kusho kona ukuthi thina sizidla thini Sundowns mina beyongibona ngakhona izidla yona uma ifuna ukuzidla bheka njengoba ngisho ngithi game yePulukwane ubonile ukuthi Sundowns beyingekho at all kwayona self those players Sundowns bangama quality players babonke angifuni ukutshela manga so besi deserve nale game ukuthi siwine so kuleko mina into engizokutshela yona kuzoba nzima angifuni ukutshela manga ukuthi ubhithe leya team angifuni ukutshela manga look at the way Sundowns icommand ngakhona and ngiyakutshela mina ama supporters eMzansi azothi le game le Sundowns iwinning ama mistake abo ref awekho ama mistake angifuni ukutshela manga angifuni le red card le was a red card awufawula umuntu uneyelo card
lesoqala lapho if there was any robbery here besoqala lapho there was a robbery there was no robbery here
we understand
there was only one winner here uRibeiro ndoda ubuntswempu bakhe there was nothing that had to do with referee there's those champagne passes and some of the players didn't finish beautiful finish by Umudao from that champagne pass Ushalule getting champagne passes that is not the referee ubuntswempu bakhe uRibeiro
kuleko uRibeiro star afuna ukutshela manga and nginale problem yokuthi thina the so called ama supporter of Sundowns we don't praise ama supporter Sundowns uma enza kahle angifuni ukukutshela manga uRibeiro akekho kule level angifuni ukukutshela kulabadlali sinabo la
Yeah.
akekho kule level beka uRibeiro ukuthi wenzani wenza umsebenzi ube lula decision making uma afuna ukuphasa nge-true pass uzokuphasa i-true ball uzosihlulekela wena so uyabona ukuthi uRibeiro abe khona lapha kulo number 10
Sure.
kunzima kakhulu angifuni ukukutshela manga because how many chances lawa awacreateile ukuthi aboshalulile bakora
Yeah.
you understand
Well,
nginikana le bhola yakashalulile le cross eMudiba omunye umuntu angathi offside nkuleka akuna off because
No, he's onside.
uMudiba bekaphambi
He's
kwakashalulile
behind the
ulethi
ball.
ibhola kuphi
He's behind the
exactly
ball.
you understand so well done to Mamelodi Sundowns beyideserve le win kuleko beyideserve ukuthi Sundowns iye kuma semi-finals ngishilo lento ngime khona la ukuthi Sundowns le game izoyiwina utso ngimtshelile ngathi so this time angeke angifuni ukutshela manje semi-final angeke ngidlala i-trophy benginikeza iChiefs mina isaqala isengakabi khona le
Yeah.
isaqala isizini ngathi iChiefs ingathola
They might take this one.
but bengikusho lokho because abakadlali neSundowns unfortunately babathose neSundowns naku sebangaphandle unlike to Kaizer Chiefs but I like the way umuntu adlale ngakhona nongqobo abadlale ngakhona leyo vele ngizotshela nkuleko le yabo bathu bani lomjita lo goalkeeper weChiefs time wasting bakulida nga 3-0 khakhela amabhola yangaphandle but sizawuthini iKaizer Chiefs
Sure.
unlike to Kaizer Chiefs well done to Mamelodi Sundowns kuleko.
There you are. Thank you very much, Bobo. Thank you very much to everyone watching us as well. That's sometimes you go to the cinema to watch an action movie and it doesn't disappoint. This was absolutely fantastic. The only risk was the fans, basically. Is the game going to have to be stopped? They stopped it a few minutes every now and then, but then fortunately the game is over. Whatever happened with the fans, that's for the PSL to deal with. That was a beautiful game. It is iDiskiTV, it is the Times, World Sports Betting. Thank you for watching us.